In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress your image files using Optimizilla. So as you can see, the URL for this particular service is imagecompressor.com, and as you can see, we have a dialog window here that will allow us to compress those files either as single images, or you can batch upload up to 20 images. So I've got some images ready to go here. I'm going to select them all and I'm going to drop them in. And it's giving me the percentage of compression for each of those images. It's actually saving us some image size. As you can see, in some cases the difference is pretty significant. So I can either download them all, good to go, or I can come down here, and as you'll see, we'll be able to adjust this if we wanted to just compare the before and after at different levels of compression. So say if we wanted to reduce it to 70, we could just click apply and that image would now be adjusted. Here we go. It's now 49% smaller. Okay, so we could go ahead and do that for each image, and when we're satisfied with the level of compression on all of them, then you could download them all and you would be ready to upload them to your website. In most cases, you're not going to want to reduce the amount of compression because they've sort of calculated the ideal point of compression for each of those images, but you never know. Maybe in some cases it won't make that much of a difference and you can end up with a smaller image. So that's how you do it using Optimizilla.